Hey, if you want to change wallpaper on your Google Pixel 7 Pro, first of all you have to click and hold with your finger on the empty space on your home screen and then select the wallpaper and the style. Right now you will be moved to this settings where you can change the lock screen or home screen wallpaper, and you have to go to the more wallpapers, and here you can find all default wallpapers that you have on this device. So for example, if you want to get some landscapes, just go right here and select the wallpaper that you want to set up. Click on it, and after a few seconds you will get this preview. So that's how it looks. I'm gonna pick this section of the screen and click to set the wallpaper, and I'm gonna apply only to the home screen. When I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper has changed, and if you go back right here for this wallpapers, you can also set your custom wallpaper. So you can go here to choose a wallpaper, and you can go to your, for example, to your camera, to your gallery, and you can also set it up just like that. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.